this shit.
Okay. We all know what Frankie did to compromise the club. Vote's gotta be unanimous. All in favor of stripping his patch.
Yay.
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 Yay. As far as Mr. Mayhem goes, let's hear pros and cons.
Tried to kill you. That would be a pro.
We only got the word of a non-member.
Gogo and Greg tried to kill Insa. Nomads were on a spree.
Yeah, and he shot Lila. Tried to whack me.
Right.
Frankie's made his bed, Jackie.
Anyone else? Okay. All in favor of Frankie Diamonds meeting Mr. Mayhem.
Aye.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yay.